Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Health and Beauty Hacks. Today, we have a very important topic to discuss that might just save you from some serious health risks. If you are currently an Ozempic user, or soon to be one, or even if you know someone who is, you need to watch this video till the end. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our life-changing health tips. Alright, let's get started. First, let's quickly go over what Ozempic is and why it's important for users to be aware of certain food combinations. Ozempic, or semaglutide, is the highly popular prescription medication commonly prescribed to people with type 2 diabetes to help control blood sugar levels. It has unfortunately gained more fame, or notoriety, for being a weight loss drug, first to the stars, and now, thousands are trying to get a prescription for the latter benefit. However, like any medication, it's crucial to follow the recommended guidelines and be aware of potential interactions. Ozempic can contribute to weight loss through appetite suppression, slower gastric emptying, and improved glycemic control. It's essential to remember that Ozempic is not a standalone weight loss solution, but it can be a useful tool when combined with a healthy diet and regular physical activity. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your treatment plan or diet. But today, we'll reveal 5 dangerous food combos you should avoid while using Ozempic. Dangerous food combos. Number 1. Alcohol. Combining alcohol with Ozempic can increase your risk of low blood sugar levels, or hypoglycemia. Alcohol impairs your liver's ability to produce glucose, while Ozempic lowers your blood sugar. Together, they can lead to dangerously low levels. If you decide to drink, make sure to monitor your blood sugar closely and talk to your doctor about any concerns. Number 2. High-fat meals. Ozempic slows down the emptying of your stomach, which can lead to an unpleasant feeling of fullness or indigestion when combined with high-fat meals. To avoid this, opt for lower-fat alternatives and spread your fat intake throughout the day. Number 3. High-fiber foods. While fiber is generally beneficial, consuming large amounts of high-fiber foods can cause gastrointestinal issues like bloating, gas, and constipation when combined with Ozempic. So, be mindful of your fiber intake and introduce high-fiber foods gradually. Number 4. Grapefruit and grapefruit juice. Although it's a healthy fruit, grapefruit can interfere with the way your body processes certain medications, including Ozempic. Avoid consuming grapefruit or grapefruit juice while taking Ozempic to ensure your medication works as intended. And finally, number 5. High sugar foods. Since the main goal of Ozempic is to control blood sugar levels, consuming excessive amounts of sugar can counteract its effects. Monitor your sugar intake and opt for healthier alternatives like natural sweeteners, fruits, or sugar-free options. And there you have it. 5 dangerous food combos that you should avoid while using Ozempic. Always remember that your health is your top priority, and being informed is the first step to ensuring your well-being. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Let's help everyone stay safe and healthy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and as always, thank you for watching. Thanks for watching.